Oh, what's up? What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. Okay, like to welcome y'all to this live stream and stuff like that. Okay. So, aired enough pollution as is. So, by me chilling, almost forgot to wish Bob Barker happy birthday. So today's December the 12th, 2020. He's 97 years young. Okay, I guess in about 3 more years he'll be 100. Okay, yep. After hearing the news about Debo a day before yesterday, well, night before last, I should say, and stuff like that. Tommy Tiny Lester Jr. You know, so my word is I'm very hurt about it though, and stuff like that. So just not something we need to hear just in time for the Christmas holidays and stuff like that. Not not nothing like that. So because something went on for a couple of months, but I'm not gonna air that kind of laundry here on TV, on national TV. You know, so try to keep my composure as much as I can. So all right, look at the Christmas lights, y'all. Mm-hmm. Jingle bells, da 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 da, all the way. Well, just the farthest I would go, and there's some Christmas lights behind me. Okay, yep. So I'm just talking to the folks that's watching on Facebook, but not on YouTube yet. But if it's on YouTube, y'all might have seen it already. You know. Yep. So thinking about emojis with crying, laughing, and stuff like that. So so the way that is. So part about autism and stuff like that. So try to keep as positive as I could. Domino don't like no negativity. You know. After doing this Facebook Live during Hurricane Zeta and stuff like that, and then filming the bad weather and stuff like that, and unfortunately, I shouldn't have been walking around and stuff like that, doing them Facebook live stream and walking around in the dark and stuff like that, Okay, so having beef with people and stuff like that. Well, I had this TV on because I thought my family was gonna come, but due to the tired times of anything, I just didn't have time to do whatever, but do the unfortunate mishaps and stuff like that, Okay, so I try not to post nothing bad on social media and stuff like that, cursing somebody out, calling people out of their names and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I did that a few times though. Yeah, it's bad. You know, ain't no need to be Yep, ain't no need to be uh no need to be doing whatever. Well, on that note though, I need to be on my front porch instead of being on the back. Well, ain't nothing bad though. Okay, door is locked. All right, so well, everywhere you go, they got cameras. Especially on the back. Got cameras everywhere you go. Yep. So supposed to be doing whatever. But I'm just up here doing a little something and stuff like that, doing laundry, bought some church's chicken and stuff like that. But I ain't got no chicken sandwich today. Yeah. I'm so glad nobody was fighting over the church's chicken sandwiches and stuff like that. that would have been bad. That would have been totally bad. Fighting over a chicken sandwich and stuff like that, like they did with Popeye's chicken sandwiches and stuff like that. Okay. So fighting over the food and stuff like that, like they own it and stuff like that. Cause I remember the first time in a long time they had chicken sandwiches and stuff like that. So I remember the first time they had chicken sandwiches and nobody fought over them back then. You know, just like that lady that was in this Popeyes commercial. You have a spicy chicken sandwich. You have a spicy chicken sandwich. Well, I remember that commercial. That commercial came out, I believe, in 1997. I do believe. I think. Okay. Love that chicken from Popeyes. Remember that commercial. You know. So the way I think about it, y'all, it's all good. Try to make it all good, if you know what I mean. Mm-hmm. Yep. Sometimes you gotta settle your differences before it's too late, though. You know. Confusions. You know. Yep. Do my job, do my work and stuff like that. You know. Play my Nintendo when I finish doing my work and stuff like that. Yep. Computer work at that. Computer work at that. You know. Do y'all recognize this? What I'm about to show y'all. Y'all recognize this? If you're from New Orleans, y'all recognize that. If y'all don't know, it's the Gentilly Woods Mall, the old Gentilly Woods Mall. But Walmart is right there right now. Yeah, Walmart is there right now. Yep. Well, the thing was, I just got off the phone with Nyla, so some of you already know who Nyla was, because of her appearances on my show, you know. So that's all there is to it, though. Yeah, if you know Dominoes Seven real good, based on what I say, all the evil things I would say, y'all know Domino don't mean no harm. So Domino do not mean any harm. And y'all know what this is? A Retron 5, and that's a Retron 5 adapter. Okay, so this thing play Game Boy games, Sega Genesis, NES, Super NES, and yeah, I say Genesis. Yeah, I say Genesis. All right, that was my Facebook. That's all. All right, so I'll talk to y'all another time. All right, okay. So maybe more to come, and there's probably some videos I haven't uploaded yet. Okay.